हेलो डियर चिल्ड्रन, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आपके जीवन में खुशियां रहे, आपके चेहरे पर मुस्कान रहे, आपके सभी सपने साकार हो, आप उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसर हो। इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ आप सभी को एक बार फिर से हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे।
Dear children, 14th of November every year is celebrated as Children's Day in India to commemorate the birthday of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, known as Chacha Nehru among children.
प्यारे बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हैं कि बाल दिवस 14 नवंबर को ही क्यों मनाया जाता है? क्योंकि इस दिन हमारे देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू का जन्म दिवस होता है। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू को बच्चों से बहुत अधिक स्नेह था। बच्चे भी उनका बहुत अधिक सम्मान करते थे और उनसे प्यार करते थे, और बच्चे उन्हें प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कहकर बुलाते थे। जब पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू आजादी के बाद हमारे देश के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री बने तो
He was known for his affection towards kids, and the objective of the celebration of this day is to create awareness of the rights, care, and above all, education of children. Here I must tell you that the most prominent educational institutions of the present day India, like we have IITs, IIMs, and AIIMS for medicine, all have been established due to his vision for the same. So we are really very grateful to him for all these. And here, children, I would like to quote him. He has very rightly said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. These lines have rekindled my spirit as an educator, and here I would like to quote a few lines. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. All I would like to say here to you is keep putting in your little efforts, and then believe me, no one can stop you from reaching your goal, from being successful.
उनका मानना था कि आज के बच्चे कल का स्वर्णिम भविष्य है, इसीलिए सही शिक्षा और सही देखभाल के माध्यम से ही उन्हें एक नया और अच्छा जीवन प्रदान किया जा सकता है। चाचा नेहरू ने बच्चों की फ्री ऑफ एजुकेशन की भी व्यवस्था की थी। इसके साथ ही साथ उन्होंने मिड डे मील की जो हम देखते हैं वो भी चाचा नेहरू के द्वारा ही किया गया है। अतः उन्हें सम्मान देने के लिए उनकी मृत्यु के बाद उनके जन्मदिन को यानी कि 14 नवंबर को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है।
Just remember, all of you are unique. You have your own pace of learning, but consistency is the thing which is going to provide you the edge to. So, again, I would like to tell you that all of you are very, very special for us. Rise and shine. Sky is the limit for you. God bless you all.
बचपन है ऐसा खजाना, आता है ना दोबारा, मुश्किल है इसको भूल पाना। वे खेलना, कूदना और खाना, मौज मस्ती में बतलाना।
वो माँ की ममता और वो पापा का दुलार, बुलाए ना भूले वह सावन की फुवार। मुश्किल है इन सभी को बुलाना, वो कागज की नाव बनाना, वो बारिश में खुद को भिगाना।
वे झूले झूलना और खुद ही मुस्कुराना, वे यारों की यारी में सब भूल जाना।
वो अपने होमवर्क से जी चुराना और टीचर के पूछने पर तरह तरह के बहाने बनाना। बहुत मुश्किल है इन सब को बुलाना।
वे एग्जाम में रट्टे लगाना, फिर रिजल्ट से बड़ा घबराना। वे दोस्तों के साथ गोलगप्पे खाना और छोटी छोटी बातों पर रुक जाना। बहुत मुश्किल है इन सब को भुलाना।
प्यारे बच्चों, बहुत याद आता है वह सब ज़माना। बचपन है ऐसा खजाना, मुश्किल है इन सब को बुलाना।
फूलों के जैसे महकते रहो, पंछी के जैसे चहकते रहो, सूरज की भांति चमकते रहो, तितली के जैसे मचलते रहो। माता पिता का आदर करो, सुंदर भावों को मन में भरो।
ये है
हम सबकी शुभकामना। ये बचपन हमेशा हंसता रहे, मुस्कुराता रहे। बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाब तुमको से चल बनाए आशियाँ। My dear kids, you are not small enough to change the world. People in their young age have done wonders.
Children are the gift of God. Let them fly with their thought.
1, 2, 3, start. उम्मीदों वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा, रोने की वजह है कम, हंसने के बहाने ज़्यादा। Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na, 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 na. Thank you.
नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। रास्ते में चलूँगा ना डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के, मंजिल से पहले ना लूँगा कहीं दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊँगा कदम, दाहिने बाएं थम। नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे, खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे। Children, I hope you all are fine. I would like to wish Happy Children's Day. You are the beautiful flowers, of course, and going to blossom and make this world a beautiful garden, no doubt. So I wish you a bundle of joy, happiness, and prosperity on this day. Today,
good morning, everybody. Here is Mr. Rajat Bhatturi, your computer teacher, and I'm wishing a very happy Children's Day on 14th of November. Every year we celebrate the day just for you only. So I'm wishing it again. And on this particular day, I wish everybody should be happy, safe and sound, and very much scholastic, as well as you should be playful. And I hope very soon you'll be having face-to-face interactions so that you can enjoy the teaching learning environment as well as some other things. Apart from scholastic, it may be a post-scholastic also. So I'm wishing you again Happy Children's Day and many thanks from your computer teacher. Thank you.
On the occasion of Children's Day, this is 14th November, I wish you a happy Children's Day. Dear children, you are our strength, you are our smile. Without you, children, our life is nothing. I wish you all the success in your future, and I wish you a good health, good smile. Happy Children's Day once again.
नमस्कार परम प्रिय विद्यार्थी, बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। भगवान आपको नित्य नई सफलता प्रदान करें, आप सफलता के चरम तक पहुँचे। मंगलमय शुभकामनाएं।
Today is the 14th of November. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. We celebrate it as a Children's Day. So wishing you all a happy Children's Day. You should be always happy. You should have a great smile. Your smile is our smile. And wishing you, giving you many blessings on this occasion, on this day. Happy Children's Day once again. Thanks a lot. All the best, children. Do excellent.
On this occasion of Children's Day, we all teachers would like to tell you that although we are not together today, but what all we are doing, it's all for you. We understand that what difficulties we all are facing in this time of crisis. It has been very challenging for us to continue with our teaching and learning. As we all know that we have covered our term 1 syllabus and we are heading towards our term 1 exams. For this, we all teachers appreciate your hard work and your efforts during this time, during this challenging time. So we all wish you good luck for your exams, for your bright future. May God give you a bright future and bless you with a good heart. And may God make you a good human being and you may contribute for the upliftment of your society, your nation and your planet.
But it is usually said that the success of a teacher depends upon the hard work of the students. And I have been truly blessed to have some wonderful students in my life. To all my lovely students, I wish a year full of happiness, playful times, lots of fun and celebration. But I know that being a student is not so easy. But trust me, this is the most wonderful time in one's life and you must enjoy it to the fullest. Sending blessings and warm wishes to you on Children's Day. I wish Happy Children's Day to you once again. Stay blessed, study hard and make your teachers proud. Have a wonderful day ahead. God bless you. Thank you so much.
I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. The occasion of Children's Day gives all the teachers an opportunity to thank each and every student who are the most important part of our life. Meeting all the wonderful students like you has always given me an opportunity to learn something new each day. May you all grow up to be better human beings and achieve every successful milestone in your lives. I feel blessed to serve the futures of the nation. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. God bless you.
I love you all. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, students. My love and blessings for you all on this Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day once again.
Happy Children's Day once again.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
सभी को बाल दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Happy Children's Day to all.
बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Wishing all of you a happy Children's Day.
A very, very happy Children's Day.